Unpack the parts package. 1 display stand. 1 roll of waterproof tape. ESC instruction manual. 1 set of tools. 1 antenna mount. Worm tips. 2 rods. 1 antenna tube. Install the boat frame first. Unpack the outboard motor. Take out the tools. Open the boat hatch. Remove the screws of the engine mount. Install the outboard onto the mounting base. Temporarily fix it with screws. Tighten the screws after adjusting the angle properly. Choose a straight arm for the servo horn. Pass the Z-head of the tie rod through the servo horn. Then thread the tie rod through the hull, through the small bellows. Route the motor wires and cooling water. Pipes through the tube holes into the boat. Connect the wire in the middle of the ESC to the yellow wire. Connect the wire near the water nozzle to the red wire, and the last one to green. Put the large bellows over the tube opening, ensuring the bellows fit to the bottom of the tube. Attach the water-cooled pipe. Note, the water-cooling pipe must not be bent sharply. Loosen the screws on the servo mount. And install the rudder servo. Tighten the fixing screws, each with a spring washer and a flat washer peg. Attention to the installation order. Fix the pull rod to the rod connector on both sides of the outboard motor. Install the servo horn at the mid position of the rudder servo. Maintain balance on both sides, and tighten the screws. Adjust the length of both tie rods to keep the stern engine at the mid position, then tighten the set screws of the rod connector. Channel 1 CH1, connect the servo signal wire. White wire inward, black wire outward. Channel to CH2, connect the ESC signal wire. White wire inward, black wire outward. Fix the battery. Power on and test. Turn on the remote control and connect the power. After hearing the ESC beep, wait 3 seconds before operating the remote control. Seal the cabin cover plate to the cabin with waterproof tape. Test the boat. Move forward. Start slowly, avoid setting full throttle. Swing the direction left and right. Move backward. Start slowly when the boat is stationary.